Hello, good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. How are you?
I'm doing great. What about you?
Yeah, I'm also doing very well. Thank you so much for asking.
Okay, so this is our first meeting. So could you introduce yourself?
Yeah, sure, definitely. As you know, my name is Prarthana Sharma. I am from Madhya Pradesh. I am married. I have two kids. And if I talk about my qualifications, so I had done my graduation. Yeah, that's all about me.
Okay, thank you for giving your introduce. Could I introduce myself?
Yeah, yeah, I want to know.
Okay, my name is Sima Bisen. I am from Maharashtra, near to the Nagpur city, in Bandara city. I have done my graduation in Bachelor of Science as well as I done my diploma in pharmacy. I am a homemaker.
Mhm.
That's it.
Okay, wow,
Yeah.
that's great. So, how long have you been learning this language?
It has been completed 1 year, but
One year.
not
Mhm.
doing practicing regularly, and I'm not giving more time to speak English. That's why I'm not speaking well. But yeah, it's complete.
Who said you not speaking well? I feel you speak well.
I I feel I'm not.
Okay. So what do you do? Like your speaking part, what type practice you do?
Firstly, uh, I practicing to speak English
Mm-hmm.
with in conversation to
Mm-hmm.
some another people, and whenever we speak in English, so we know about vocabulary. Without vocabulary, we can't make the sentences. So every day I learn vocabulary, and I learn new vocabularies, and then and their antonym and synonym I learn, and advanced vocabulary I focus on, also advanced vocabulary. Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
that's it. And also
Wow.
I'm focusing about grammar, because
Mm-hmm.
I'm also preparing for government exams. So vocabularies and grammar, if our vocabulary and grammar will be strong, so it's helpful for my exam. So that's why.
Okay, right. Like which exam do you preparing?
Preparing for government exam as a pharmacist.
Okay. Okay, tell me about little because I don't know much.
Okay. Pharmacist means who able to open the medical store and
Mm-hmm.
sell medicines.
Mm-hmm.
No, so
Okay. Okay, so government means government medical
sector.
shop.
Yeah,
Okay.
in
Okay.
primary health center and rural hospital RH, in
Mm-hmm.
that hospital have
Mm-hmm.
need the pharmacist who giving medicines to the patient.
Okay, okay, right. Okay, so which exam required? Which how?
It's
Huh.
a state level exam, Arogya Vibhag,
Mhm.
Jilla
Okay,
Parishad.
okay, wow. Okay, so do you take any coaching classes? Do you took? Yeah, yeah. Still,
Uh,
you are join any coaching classes?
yes, I purchased two subject
Mm-hmm.
and I joined coaching on
Okay.
online.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Okay.
What
Uh,
about you?
I'm not doing anything extra. I'm just taking care of my family. I'm all totally home manager.
That's nice.
I have little kids, so yeah, I take care of them only.
Okay.
Mhm.
C or he?
Mhm.
They both are
Both
C.
are both are he.
How
I want one C, but God give me he, so I'm comfortable with he.
okay, every mother want a girl, you know. Okay.
But you know, God decide each and everything for us. So yeah, we happy our life what God gave us. So yeah, we have to happy them.
How
Mhm.
Hmm.
Yes. So okay, tell how you make yourself happy.
Okay. Uh, you know, I'm not doing some another thing to make me happy, but whenever I wake up in the morning and then I do exercise, and I spending some time to my husband and I be making chitter pitter, you know, and thinking, my feeling is so happy whenever
Okay.
we talk to my husband and we discuss anything about. After that, I watched some video. It's funny video, so I'm happy about that. And then also I'm watching, and I attend the classes, and whenever our sir making fun with students, that time my feeling is very happy, and they also motivated and make the fun with the student. So yeah, that time I also happy. And whenever I talk to you and another person, and they are happy, and we conversation to each other, we express our thoughts, so my feeling is happy that time. That kind
Uh,
of thing. And whenever we do study, I do study properly, so I am happy. Otherwise, I think in a whole day I'm not doing, I didn't study well. So that type of thing make me happy every day.
okay. Okay. Tell about your area. How's your area?
It's good, but I am not connect with more people and my neighbor.
Mm-hmm.
I only connect to the one to two home in a surrounded. But
Mm-hmm.
I like to talk to children. So I spending my time half an hour, 1 hour to the children.
Okay.
Whenever
Okay. So, what your long time goal?
my long time goal is I want to become a government pharmacist and any government sector. I'm doing
Okay.
preparation for that. If I will not got that one, so I am focusing my spoken English. I want to become a teacher. If I have a knowledge, so I want to give knowledge somebody.
Yeah.
They
Right.
they have need. Yeah, and I want to take knowledge. So I like to do study in my whole life. New
Okay.
knowledge about that. That's
Okay.
it.
If you have lot of money, so what would you do?
Okay. Uh, if I have lots of money, so I will spend. If I have need to something, and I will,
Mhm.
if I got money, so I will take lots of books. I will purchase lots of books. I like to read books. Yeah, and yeah, and I have enough books, so I will give food for the poor people, and I help to purchasing cloth, and I will give cloth of they are wandering here and there, and they are not wearing proper cloth, and they have no home, so I will support him. That's it.
Wow. Amazing.